Welcome to our review of the LIEZHUA Gigabit Ethernet Splitter 1-2. Today we will explore this compact device that expands a single Ethernet port into two, allowing two devices to enjoy high-speed connectivity of up to 1000 megapairs simultaneously. This device, complete with a USB power cable and 6 LED indicators, is designed with both aesthetics and practicality in mind. The main feature of this splitter is its ability to network two devices concurrently. It is engineered to optimize the utilization of your network resources, ensuring that data transfers remain stable and efficient. The splitter works with a wide range of Ethernet cables including Cat5, 5E, 6, 7, and 8, making it a versatile accessory suitable for various network environments. Whether you are connecting your ADSL modem, hub, switch, TV, set-top box, router, or computer, this device fits right in with its universal compatibility. One of the standout specifications is the integrated 6 LED indicators. These lights help users easily monitor which connected device is active. The clear status information provided by these indicators minimizes confusion, particularly during troubleshooting or setup. Additionally, the use of a PCB circuit board combined with an aluminum alloy casing not only enhances durability, but also ensures stable data transmission through RJ45 8-pole standard jacks with gold-plated pins. This robust build quality provides the assurance of longevity and reliable performance in real-life network scenarios. Users have reported that the device performs exceptionally well in daily usage. It is particularly useful in environments where cable clutter or insufficient port availability has been a hassle. However, one small drawback that users have noted is the necessity of an external power connection through a USB cable. While this means one more accessory to manage, the simplicity of plugging into any 5V 1A DC power source means that setup is still incredibly straightforward. When compared with similar products in the market, the LIEZHUA splitter stands out not only for its high-speed capabilities, but also for its compact size and universal compatibility. Some competitors may offer additional features, but few combine speed, ease of use, and a durable build in this price range. For those looking to maximize their network's potential without upgrading to more expensive hardware, this splitter is an excellent choice. To get the most out of this product, ensure a reliable power supply by using a recommended 5V 1A or 2A USB charger. Additionally, proper cable management and avoiding cable overloading can help maintain optimal performance. In summary, the LIEZHUA Gigabit Ethernet Splitter 1-2 is a reliable and efficient network expansion solution that benefits users needing simultaneous device connectivity. Whether you're setting up a home office or enhancing your entertainment system, this splitter serves as an ideal, user-friendly accessory. Thank you for listening, and greetings to all our viewers.